Welcome to the first part of video lectures on electronic commerce. Today we are going to discuss various topics like definition of e-commerce, traditional commerce versus e-commerce, goals of e-commerce, e-commerce examples, and some e-commerce websites. First of all, I will tell you what's e-commerce. Basically, it's a combination of two terms, that's e and commerce. E means electronic and commerce means trading. E-commerce is commonly known as electronic commerce. It is similar to traditional commerce system, which involves the activities of selling and buying, but it performs these operations using any electronic medium like TV, fax, radio, or internet. Now today internet has captured all the e-trade demand with its comparatively greater features. So here we will consider only internet as an e-commerce source. In simpler terms, it means buying and selling of products or services over electronic system. Electronic commerce was identified as the facilitation of commercial transactions electronically using technology such as electronic data interchange and electronic fund transfer. Electronic data interchange and electronic fund transfer. What's electronic data interchange and electronic fund transfer? Electronic data interchange is the structured transmission of data between organizations by electronic means. In simpler terms, we can say it is used to transfer electronic documents or any business data from one computer system to another computer system. If we have to share our business documents or some kind of business data from one computer system to another computer system, it is called electronic data interchange. And the second term is electronic fund transfer. It is the electronic exchange or transfer of money from one account to another account. And the next topic is the difference between the traditional commerce and the modern e-commerce. The main differences are in terms of cost. As you know, the cost is greater due to taxes, advertisement, and employees in traditional commerce, while as the cost is much lower than the traditional commerce in modern e-commerce. And the second difference is market. In traditional commerce, product market is limited because of geographical constraints, and while as in e-commerce, product market is across the world because of non-physical aspects. And the third difference between the two is in terms of advertisement. Traditional commerce requires product advertisement on various mediums like TV, magazines, newspapers, etc. While as in modern e-commerce, developers of the websites also makes ads on domains. And the fourth difference is in terms of time. In traditional e-commerce, requires more time to go outside to choose, compare, and evaluate the product, while as in e-commerce, it takes less time to choose and make comparison between several products. The fifth difference between the two is in terms of accessibility. Traditional commerce is less accessible due to time or geographical constraints, while as modern e-commerce, products can be accessed at any time from almost everywhere. And the next difference between the two is in terms of reliability. People trust more traditional e-commerce, traditional commerce because of physical transactions, while as due to lack of awareness, this is less popular among people in modern e-commerce. Next difference is in terms of support. Customer support centers in traditional commerce, while as in modern e-commerce no physical support centers are available. Next is in terms of feedback. As you know, feedback from customers take a lot of time in traditional commerce, while as in modern e-commerce feedback is immediate by certain website features. Because when we access any website, any electronic commerce website, there is always a feedback form. We can give an instant feedback in modern e-commerce. And the next difference is in terms of interactivity. As in traditional commerce, fewer customers can be interacting with at a time because of less physical limitations, while as in terms of modern e-commerce, websites are especially designed for multiple users. And now are going to discuss various advantages of e-commerce. First advantage is in terms of inventory management. As we know, electronic applications make the order ship bill cycle shorter. Order ship bill cycle shorter. For instance, if most of a business partners are linked electronically, any information sent by mail can be transmitted instantly. Businesses can easily keep track of their documents to make sure that they were received. Such a system improves auditing capabilities and helps reduce inventory levels, improve inventory turns, and eliminate out of stock occurrences. And the second advantage is in terms of distribution management. Electronic based applications make the transmission of shipping documents a lot easier and faster. Shipping documents include bills of lading, purchase orders, advance ship notices, and manifest claims. E-commerce also enables more efficient resource management by certifying that documents contain more accurate data. And the next advantage in terms of channel management. E-commerce allows for speedier dissemination of information regarding changes in operational conditions to trading partners. Technical, product and pricing information can be posted with much ease on electronic bulletin boards. And the next advantage is payment management. An electronic payment system allows for a more efficient payment management system by minimizing clerical errors, increasing the speed of computing invoices, and reducing transaction fees and costs. Next, purchasing products and information. Electronic applications make it possible for consumers to look up online information about existing and new products or services. And personal finance management. In this field, electronic applications aid the consumers in managing investments and personal finances through the use of online banking tools. Now, some other benefits of e-commerce include benefits to organization. The first one, expands marketplace. expands the marketplace to national and international markets, and it decreases the cost of creating, processing, distributing, storing, and retrieving paper-based information. And it also lowers telecommunication costs, the internet, because the internet is much cheaper than value-added networks. And the next benefit is benefit to the society. It enables more individuals to work at home and to do less traveling for shopping, resulting in less traffic on the roads and lower air pollution. And it also allows some merchandise to be sold at lower prices, benefiting the poor ones. And it also enables people in third world countries and rural areas to enjoy products and services which otherwise are not available to them. And the last one is benefit to the consumer. It enables consumers to shop or do other transactions 24 hours a day, all year round, from almost any location. Also provides customers with more and more choices, provides customers with less expensive products and services by allowing them to shop in many places and conduct quick comparisons. It also allows quick delivery of products and services in some cases, especially with digitized products. And the customers can all receive relevant and detailed information in seconds rather than in days or weeks in case of traditional commerce. Customers can also make it possible to participate in virtual auctions, allows customers to interact with other customers in electronic communities and exchange ideas as well as compare experiences. And now the next topic is marketing goals of e-commerce. The first marketing goal is mobility, a number one priority. Because the ability to view content on all screens has made mobile devices the most commonly used platform for online shopping. In one survey, 52% of all web traffic to retail websites currently comes via smartphones and tablets. Marketers are beginning to understand the importance of linking technology with their marketing efforts. And the second one is rich and fresh digital content. A recent study in Time magazine found that 55% of web pages get less than 15% of attention, with shoppers starting to abandon sites just after 2 seconds. Rich media and visually appealing content will help grasp the attention of your customers for those first few critical seconds. And so that making rich media highly shoppable with interactive features is a key strategy to this challenge. For example, the features such as pop-up windows with product descriptions, video demonstrations, and social media share buttons enhance the shopping experience. And the third marketing goal of e-commerce is speed up the path to purchase. As the customers do not have time to sift through pages, products laid out in the typical grid format, commonly used on most e-commerce sites, marketers can guide shoppers through their online shopping experience by giving them the ability to filter through size, color, or brand instantly, or create a uniquely tailored shopping experience complete with shoppable icons next to each product, so that a customer can capture attention and drive more clicks. With these features, marketers can speed up the path to purchase and increase the chance of conversion. And the last marketing goal of e-commerce is in terms of measure your success. We can transform a web page into an automatic selling machine that can lead to double or triple digit increase in conversion rates. Analytics can help you measure and track the growth and success of your marketing campaign with information regarding how many people view your catalog, which product was the most searchable one, and much more. The next topic includes the disadvantages of e-commerce. First disadvantage among the few disadvantages of e-commerce. First disadvantage include there is no guarantee of product quality. When a customer buys any product from any electronic commerce website, there is no guarantee of product quality. And the second disadvantage, there are many hackers who look for opportunities, and thus an e-commerce site or service payment gateways are all always prone to attacks. Some e-commerce examples include, for example, an individual purchases a book on the internet. A government employee reserves a hotel room over the internet. A business buys office supplies online or through an electronic auction. And a manufacturing plant orders electronic components from another plant within the company using the company's intranet. And the last topic I'm going to discuss is some electronic commerce websites. There are different categories for travel and booking sector. They include MakeMyTrip.com, ClearTrip.com, YatraTrip, GoIbibo.com, and IRCTC for railway reservation, and Redbus.in. They all are among the travel and booking sector. Next, for hotel booking, the various electronic websites we use as Expedia.co.in or Musafir.com we can also use. And in the field of taxi booking, Ola Cabs, Uber, Taxi for Sure are some big names. And for jobs, Naukri.com or Bed.com are also some big names in terms of jobs. And for marriage alliances, we use mostly the Shadi.com or Jeevansathi.com. Thank you.